Hi everyone, here we've got ZTE Axon 11 5G, and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Then let's scroll down and choose the system. And here we've got the backup option, so let's tap on it. As you can see, now it is turned off. In order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher right here. Now we have to add a backup account, so let's tap on account. Make sure that you are connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source. And from this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Click on next. And here we have to enter our password. So let me do this out of the screen. Okay. And simply tap on next. As you can see here, we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. If you want, simply tap on it, select the one you want to read, and here we've got all the info. Click on I agree. Here we've got the backup and storage info. Click on accept. And here our device is telling us what the backup includes, so it will back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Let's click on OK. And as you can see, we just added our backup account to this device, and now all the info will be backed up. So that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your ZTE Axon 11 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.